Hi friends, today I am with the new earbuds launched by New Republic. The model name is Cyberstud Spin. Why it is named Spin, I will definitely let you know. First, I will take out the plastic wrap and show you what are the box content and what are the features that this earbuds are offering. It comes with a fidget spinner, which I will definitely show you. It will be in red color. It has some of the offerings. The box price written is 5,499, which is not the final price. So wait for the last segment. We will definitely let you know what is the price. The boxing packaging is very premium. In the box, as you can see, it is written hashtag New Republic. This is the fidget spinner. What comes inside the box? There is a plastic wrap. You can take it out, and in this also you have the earbuds which is already mounted. I will show you how the earbuds work, and after that this is how you can take out the earbuds and plug it into your ears. There is also charging port, which I will show you each and everything in detail. In the box we are also getting some paperwork, and there is a charging cable. It comes with the type C charging port, so that is a great thing. It supports fast charging, and there are two extra ear tips present in the box, so which is an advantage. Here you can see the earbuds. I will show you how it fits also, and this is how you take off the earbuds, and this is the fidget spinner. The gliders are made of metal. The color red color what you are seeing, the glides, it is made of metal, and it weighs around 77 gram, and it has a ANC. The drivers comes with the 13 mm driver of the earbuds. Overall it comes with the type C charging which supports fast charging, and when you take off the glides it has a kind of sword kind of noise which you will hear right now. It comes when you open or close the glide. It sounds very cool. So a big thumbs up to New Republic for making such a cool product. It is definitely a different kind of earbuds and definitely a little bit show off. And overall, if you talk about the earbuds, it comes with a proprietary X-based technology. It has very good bass and delivers very clear vocals when you are on call. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 support and ranges around 15-meter range. Talking about the earbuds, it fits perfectly. I have used the pre-installed tips in the earbuds, and as you can see there is a blinking of blue and red light. So this is how it looks while wearing. It has ENC, it doesn't have ANC. If you want a user guide, you have to go to the user manual which you can find online. You just have to scan the QR code which is given in the box, and you will be directed to this page. You can download it, and here you can see when you are trying to charge, it will show you the charging status. If it is less battery, it will be in red color, and if you plug it out, it will be in blue color. So the blue LED light glows. Now how to use the earbuds with the tips. So the gesture control works very smoothly. If you tap right or left, the right one is for volume up and the left one is for volume down. So this is for the single tap. If you tap twice, play and pause, it can be either left or right. If you want to go to the next song, tap 3 times on the left. If you want to go to the previous song, tap thrice to the right. If you want to answer or hang up a call, just single tap left or right, either of them. If you want to reject, press for 2 seconds left or right, either of them. Now this is a very easy thing. I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check out the user manual. If you tap for 2 seconds either left or right, it will trigger your voice assistant. It can be Google Assistant or Siri, depends on the OS of your smartphone. So it is very easy. Just press for 2 seconds either of them, left or right. It will work. Now coming to the one of the interesting mode, it comes with the game mode. For that you have to tap 4 times left or right. Once you tap 4 times left or right, it will toggle to game mode. If it is already in game mode, it will switch to the music mode, and if you are in a music mode, you can toggle back to game mode. Comes with the low latency, which is 40 ms. Now talking about the battery, the company is claiming that it can run up to 70 hours in one single go, and for standby it can go up to 310 hours, which is definitely huge. I've tried and tested, not up to 70 hours, but I am definitely satisfied with the battery life. Now, talking about the call quality, I was definitely satisfied with the call quality, and the other side of the person can hear me very easily, and there was no lag between that. Even talking about the audio quality for listening the music, it has really good bass, and even the lows and the highs can be heard very clearly. So that is a very added point. Now talking about the price, it is priced for 2,499. It is around 2,500 bucks. It is available online on the official website. So this is all about the New Republic Cyberstud Spin earbuds. It was one of the most craziest tech which is currently available in the earbud, and I definitely loved it. So this is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.